Hey y'all, what's up? It's Danny. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you are not, welcome back, girl. So today's look will be over this New Year's Day, New Year's Eve glam. And if you would like to see how I achieved this look, then just continue watching. Okay, we're just gonna jump right on into this look. As you can see, I've already got one eye done. So using the James Charles and Morphe palette, I used the duo-ended brush that always comes in all of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. And I just took the fluffy end of that brush and I dipped it into that orangey color in the palette, which is called Code James, I believe. And what I did was I just tapped that back and forth across my eye. I was supposed to say eyelid, but that's not my eyelid. My eye, and that was basically the basis for my transition shade. And I just kept going until I got it to my liking. Okay, so then I flipped the brush to the other end, which is more of a packed brush, but it's small, so it's like very precise. And I went in to that brown color, which is called 10% off, to deepen my crease. And y'all, let me tell y'all something about eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is only as hard as you make it. And I know it's probably easier said than done, but y'all, I literally did this look with maybe 3 or 4 brushes. But back to what I'm doing in the video. So what I did was I just packed that brown color into my crease and then just blended it out with the other end of the brush that I packed in the orange color with. And I just kept doing that until I got it to my liking as well, because I mean, we love a good blend, you know. You can't be out here looking crazy. Okay, after I blended that out, I took the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm using this bigger brush that's kind of like that packed brush I was just telling y'all about with the brown color. But this brush is from e.l.f. And what I did was I went into that black color, which is called Chad, in the palette, and I just packed it in. And y'all, okay, so like, I really love smoky eyes, and this is probably by far my favorite smoky eye, but you have to be careful with using black, because that black will ruin everything for you. So as you can see, I'm like carefully patting it in and, you know, just kind of going back over where I already placed some black, because like I said, you don't want to ruin this look, because that black will take you out. Okay, so now I'm going back into the James Charles and Morphe palette, and I will be tapping into that 10% off and the deeper brown next to it, which is No Beans, to blend between the black and my transition color. So you'll see that I like placed that in, and then I went back in with the other brush to put some more black into it. But y'all, you have to be patient with eyeshadow. Like, you have to have patience, okay? Because blending is really a process, and like, y'all will see how many times I go back and forth between these colors, because I have to make sure that everything is blended out flawlessly. Okay, flawlessly. Patience is the key. Okay, so now I'm going in with this NYX glitter glue, and I'm gonna take this flat brush from Morphe, and I'm just gonna tap into it and then place it all over the black on my eyelid. And the key to making your glitter stick is to only put a thin layer and to let it dry a little in between the time you apply it to your eyelid before you apply your glitter. And the glitters I ordered them off Amazon, and I just ended up mixing a regular purple and black glitter with my black chunky glitter. And y'all, like, this glitter, like, it came out so fire. Like, I absolutely love it. But another thing with like glitters, like, you have to be careful, because like it will fall, it'll get in your eye, it will hurt. But I honestly love using glitter. I love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my MAC MatchMaster foundation and this e.l.f. blending brush. It's honestly one of my go-tos. But as far as this foundation goes, I want to say this is the shade 6.5 or 7.5. Either way it go, I ain't like it because I don't remember it being this white, this yellow, whatever it is. It was giving me very much Casper vibes after I blended it out. But like I said, I used to really love it and it used to match me perfectly. Maybe it just hadn't set in long enough to blend in, but whatever. It blended out beautifully, but I definitely could have went up a shade from whatever this is that I'm putting on. And like I said, this brush is one of my go-tos. I've always used this brush. I will always use this brush because it's always been a part of my routine since I've been doing makeup. Like, I would literally go buy a million of the same brushes. And then y'all look at me, got the audacity to put another layer of this foundation on. But hey, listen, I was just like, you know what, I'ma rock with it, I'ma fix it. Y'all will see me fix it later on this video when I get to highlighting and contouring everything. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C13. I don't really know the exact name of it, but I do know I got it from Ulta and it was $5. Obviously $5 and some tax. But as you can see, I'm just going to place this on all of the high points of my face, which is under the eyes, down the bridge of my nose, etc., etc. Y'all know the drill. But y'all, like, for $5, like, this concealer is the bomb. Like, it isn't too wet, it doesn't dry down fast, like, it's as matte as you want it to be. But I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And so, as you can see, I'm just blending that all out with my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. This is one of those brushes that you need like multiple brushes of. Like, this is that brush. It is that girl. So, like, definitely go to Walmart, Target, wherever, and pick it up and use it. But I've honestly just been in a use a brush mood because I just really love the coverage that using a brush gives me versus the coverage I get using a beauty blender. Now I'm going to go in with my other Makeup Revolution concealer, and this one is in the shade C12. So I'm just using this one for a little razzle dazzle, a little more brightening under the eyes or whatever. And this is the concealer that actually costs a little bit more than the other one I was just using, but it's only like $7 or $8. And like I said, I just use this one for a little razzle dazzle. So on a normal day, like on my normal face, I probably wouldn't use this. I may have used it in my last video, but like now I wouldn't use it if I was just doing like my natural go-to face. But like I said, these concealers are the bomb, so definitely go to Ulta, try them out. You will not regret it. So now, going in with this concealer stick and obviously adjusting my light. This is a black Radiance concealer stick. I probably got it from Family Dollar. Yeah, I got it from Family Dollar. You can get it at Walmart, but I'm just using this to contour. You know, we got to get snatched, y'all. Like, we snatching waist, we snatching noses, we snatching cheekbones, all 2020, okay? And like I said, you need multiple of those flawless concealer brushes because this brush is that girl for sure. And so now you're gonna see me like blending this all out, and I probably went a little crazy with my contouring, but I'm gonna fix that just like I ended up fixing this Casper-y foundation. Alright, so using my Black Radiance contour palette, I'm going to go in with that darkest shade, and I'm just going to place that where I put my cream contour, because where there is a cream, I need a powder. My skin is so oily, and it will only be a matter of time before my oils seep through my makeup and ruin it all. Y'all, I love this palette, so the next time I do my makeup, I'm definitely gonna be going to the nearest Target, CVS, Walmart, wherever, to get another one, because this palette is bomb. Like, I really do love it, and if you haven't tried it, you most definitely need to. Y'all, look at me. You can definitely tell when I'm feeling my makeup. Okay, girl, we see you. We see you. So now I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder and this fluffy e.l.f. brush. Like I said, all of that will be in the description box. And I'm just going to press in that powder where I placed my highlighting concealers. Because like I said, balance. All 2020. Balance. And I'm also just going to take that translucent powder and clean up my contour. Like I said, I went a little crazy, so this is me fixing my contour. So now I'm just going to tap back into that sculpt shade in the contour palette. And what I'm going to do is just place this in between the contour and my setting powder to warm up my face. And also it's just going to give it a seamless blend so that I don't just look like contour setting powder. Like, this is going to be that happy medium in between the two. And then I'm going to take the Morphe setting mist and spread it all over my face and fan it dry. Okay, so now we're down to the lip. As you can see, I'm taking this brown lip liner and just lining my lips, and then I will blend it out and go on top with the Old Faithful nudish pink shade. I didn't want to come too hard with a bold lip and a bold eye, but I feel like since this is a glam look, the best thing to do was a nude lip. Now I'm just going to top off my lip with my favorite lip gloss from Black Radiance. It is Love Kisses, I believe, or Love Spell or something. I don't know. But now you see me just placing on my blush. Y'all, please don't talk about me. I know a lot of my products are hidden pan. I'm going to the store to get more. And so now I'm taking this MAC highlighter. I don't even remember the shade or the name of it, but I got it for Christmas, so shout out to moms. Moms came through with the makeup, y'all. And as you can see, I'm just going in with my highlight, and then I'm gonna blend some of it out, and then I'm probably gonna go back with some more. But y'all, moms came through with the makeup for Christmas, so shout out to her. Okay, I see you. I see you, Curly Bob. I see you, Fur Vest. Yes, ma'am. So like I said, this video was supposed to be posted for New Year's Eve / New Year's Day. But hey, we going glam all 2020, okay? We are going glam. But if you've made it to this point in my video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see y'all next time.